Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup tutorial with the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. Not used this since I've bought it from TJ Maxx, freshly brand new still. So let's hop into this. Take off my glasses. Start out with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I thought I had a mark on my arm or something. I was like, Okay, so been staring and staring all at this palette and I can't decide what I want to do. Let's start with taking Satin Sheets, which is this rectangle color. Oh gosh, and I just put my finger in the other color. We're going to start out with this color, Satin Sheets, and we're going to be putting this all over my upper, kind of by my brow bone. We're going to start there. I'm going to just be using my fluffy brush I use all the time, which I think I may have damaged my palette a little bit. My brushes are still wet, I just cleaned them, and I'm pretty sure I just damaged the Satin Sheets. But that's okay. But we're just gonna put this on my brow bone. I think there's still some pink left in this brush. Oh my god. We're just gonna they're so pretty, I just can't choose. Ooh. Oh, you guys, this whole time, this thing had a tab on the mirror. Ah! You guys, I'm so weird. I can so see now what I'm doing. Let's go in with, I want to say some sprinkles, but I'm gonna make sure my brush is dry first. A hot mess. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take this flat brush, e.l.f. brush that I always use, and I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Pecan Pearline, which is this color here, and I'm gonna put this directly into my crease, and I'm just gonna kind of like pile that on so I can blend it out in a little bit. This palette smells so good, you guys. I am a huge chocolate person. Like, chocolate is my favorite kind of candy. I don't like hard candies. I don't like sour candies. I'm not a big fan of like sweet, chewy candies. I just love chocolate. So, yeah. So we're just gonna pop that into your crease. Like so. And then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and I'm just going to lightly blend that into our satin sheets. Same for this side. Just blend it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade I don't know, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take Bordeaux. Is it Bordeaux? Bordeaux. And it's just this really pretty burgundy like color. I think I just want to use it because I love it and it looks gorgeous and I just want to try it. So it's this one right here. Bordeaux, something like that. I'm actually going to be taking my flat brush again, and I'm just going to put this on my outer corner and bottom of my eyelid. Just to darken it up a bit. This shade is gorgeous. Like, it is one of my favorite shades, I think, in this palette. I love burgundy. I like purple. My hair, you can't really tell in the video, but it's like a burgundy purple color right now. So, if you can't tell, that is like, I'm gonna move my mirror to the side. Ooh. And I'm cutting you guys off. But just in the outer corner and then down onto your lid. We're going to add a little bit more burgundy. I'm just going to call it burgundy. And then I'm going to take the blending brush and we're going to be blending this. Just fluffing it and into the crease. So it all smokes together. Same way on this side. Like that. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade. Let's go ahead and go with Cotton Candy. And for this, I'm going to be taking my flat, it's more of a rounded shader brush. I'm going to make sure this one's dry. I'm just going to be applying that to my lid. And it gives it a nice pale pink. Effect. I don't know if you can see that, if it's showing up on the video, but it's definitely showing up in person. Same for this eye. This would be a very good palette for like Valentine's Day, I think. So once you've done that, I am then going to be taking the shade, I need an inner corner shade, so I'm thinking. I think I'm going to go with Sprinkles. I'm going to pop Sprinkles with the same brush in my inner tear duct. Oh. Yep, Sprinkles. Okay, so that is this look. I really like it. Next, I am going to apply my eyeliner and mascara and the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So, I'm back. I did my mascara and my eyeliner. I also went ahead and used my brows. For my brows, I do NYX Tinted Brow Gel and Blonde because my roots are blonde. I should probably change that up because I could probably go darker, but that's okay. And then the other thing I use, okay, I don't know what's going on, but I have this weird shadowing right here, and I don't know why, but it looks funky. But anyways, Tarte Face Tape Foundation in the shade Light Medium Honey, which is also known as 27H. That's my foundation I use. Yeah. So that, and then the primer I used was the No Pore Primer by Touch in Sol. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys the Artist Contour highlights for my makeup look today. I'm just going to tap some of that out. Oh my gosh, it's all over my table. Tap too much out. I'm going to get this brush. I'm just going to try to pick up the little bit that is on my table. You can kind of see it. It's picking up. but you can definitely see it in person. So, some highlight on that side. Some highlight. So highlight there. Oh, too much highlight. Ugh. Sweep that away, sweep that away. Oops. Oh well. Kind of got a little bit in my eye, my highlighter, but that's okay. Okay. A little bit on my nose. I try not to highlight my nose because I have a really round button-like nose. And I just don't ever. As I can, back into the container. Now, oh, I just hit the, sorry, hit you guys. Wasn't trying to hit you guys, it just, well, it happened. Clean up my desk area. I decided that I wanted to go back in with the chocolate face palette. And I'm going to put some Earl Grey, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be putting this on my lower lash line. Also kind of hard because I already have my mascara and stuff on, so I'm like, trying to blend it. I'm gonna go back in with sprinkles and put that on my inner. I'm gonna use my finger. This brush is not working. I'm just gonna brighten that back up. Sweep it out from under my eyeballs. I did not use a concealer today. I probably should have, but I didn't. But anyways, this is my makeup look that I created with the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palettes. I feel like I'm forgetting. My pants just got stuck on the drawer. And that happens. I feel like I'm forgetting a step. We'll show you guys my lips. And then I will set my face. Yeah, that's about it. That's all that's left. I feel like that's, I don't know. It feels a little not as clean cut as I want it to be. I tried. That's all I got is I tried. Next, I'm going to start with my lips. I'm just going to take this lip color. It's a pink. There we go. This is my makeup look for the day. I'm going to now take my Morphe setting spray. I also use the Urban Decay setting spray. These two are the best. One more spray. Just make sure everything is set in. So, this is my look. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And hopefully I see you soon on another video. Bye. Thanks for watching.